Howdy everybody, my name is Nash Porter. I am with DesignSpark. DesignSpark is an online community where you can learn how to build, create, or design just about anything. Circuitry, 3D printing, mechanical, you name it, it's online. DesignSpark has actually taken an initiative to bring that STEM activity to the local region, the Bryan College Station region. Accelerated is a technology incubator program looking for startups, new ideas, and young companies in the industrial, distribution, and manufacturing industries. Through the Accelerate program, these new candidates will do anything from product development, finding new customers, increasing financial literacy, developing pitch decks, anything and everything to make them successful. The success of these companies is the success of Accelerate. Anyone that's interested in applying to the Accelerate program can go to our website at www.designspark.com/accelerate. There you can find more information on the program itself and click a link to apply.